I mean, go to the. I mean, right here. Sorry, man. This one go on top right here. Right here. This hole right here. Right here. Okay. Oh man. Alright. Very good. Put them. Oh, my knees, man. It makes so much noise. So I'll get closer before I. Okay. So right here. See right there? The stabilizer bar. One on top right there. And one bottom right there. Changing strut. You just take these two off. And this off. And this off. And full on top. Right there, man. That's all. Changing the brake, same thing. You can just take this caliper off, take it off, and squeeze the caliper back, and then put a new pad on. Put them in, and you don't have to bleed because you didn't do anything. See, that's all, man. Right here. I just put that stabilizer bar on that because it's broken. So, all right, man.